video, we're going to talk about handles. Now, if you watched the mug analysis, you would have seen lots of different types of handles, and you would be able to look and see how different handles fit different hands and provide different amounts of comfort, and then also fit with your mugs visually. So in front of me, I have a lot of different handles. This is how they're going to start to dry. So you probably won't be making more than 3 handles, or 4, probably 4. 4 handles. You always want to have a backup or 2 because handles can be kind of finicky. So these are all using the extruder. Now the extruder's in our room, and what it is it pushes clay out. Think of those things that used to shove Play-Doh in, and then clay comes out. So these are made with the extruder. And how they're all different is that the extruder has all these different die. So I've got some here. This one has 3 holes, and this one's a sort of octagon shape. This one just has 2 holes that go all the way through. This will give you 3 different handles. And then we have blockers that you put on top so that you can choose the one handle in the extruder. This one is just a regular coil. And then here's a couple more. I do really like this one that gives you these nice, really cool flat handles. These will give you a sort of half moon, and then this is really tiny. You probably wouldn't use it for anything except a teacup. And then this is a hexagon. So if you're looking for a more angular one, that is it. And then here's some examples. So this handle right here that you can see was made using this die. And I'm actually gonna take my sticky note and I'll put it behind that color. So this purple here, that goes with that. The really small one, I'll turn it here. This really tiny one goes with this one right here. And then this half moon, which is with the purple behind it. The half moon is right in between here. It's a pretty basic size handle, and it gives you this really nice flat area in the middle for you to kind of hook your finger. This is a pretty big coil here. Right there, so that's this. This one is the 3, and then I think it's located, right here. You can see it has 1, 2, 3 little coils kind of all put together. This one's the 2. I'm actually going to use that for my mug, and it's right over here. And then the sort of octagon shape is right here. I don't prefer this octagon shape. I actually prefer the hexagon. It gives you a little bit sharper angles if you're creating a more angular mug. So that is extruded handles. Once you extrude them, you'll actually take your clay and you'll be wrapping it around a cup. It needs to get used to being round instead of a flat kind of ribbon of clay. And then I stick it up without the cup once I've started looking at the form of my mug. I start looking at, okay, what handle might go with it a little bit better. And then I start kind of forming them on here. There we go. That is extruded handles.